Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever experienced that uncomfortable feeling of a bloated stomach after a heavy meal? In today's video, we're going to share a natural remedy that will help soothe your bloated stomach in just minutes. 1. It's usually due to excess gas production in the digestive system, leading to that uncomfortable feeling of fullness and tightness in your abdomen. But fret not, because we have a simple solution for you. 2. All you need is a cup of warm water with a slice of fresh ginger and a squeeze of lemon. Ginger is well known for its digestive properties, helping to relax the intestinal muscles and reduce gas. Meanwhile, lemon helps to detoxify the body and aids in digestion. 3. Simply heat up a cup of water until it's warm but not boiling. Add a few slices of fresh ginger and let it steep for a few minutes. Squeeze in some fresh lemon juice and give it a good stir. Then, sip on this concoction slowly to allow the ingredients to work their magic in soothing your bloated stomach. 4. It's important to avoid carbonated drinks, chewing gum, and foods that are known to cause bloating, such as beans, lentils, and cruciferous vegetables. Opt for smaller, more frequent meals and chew your food slowly to aid digestion. A simple and effective natural remedy to soothe your bloated stomach in minutes. Give it a try the next time you're feeling uncomfortable after a meal, and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and share this video with anyone who could benefit from this helpful tip.